Continental Carriers discusses contemporary issues in front of the industry.
We are all getting ready for it, all the airlines, for agents, like consolidators, everybody is trying their best to get ready for this vaccine traffic. But unfortunately, we are not yet clear whether we should invest in, -2 to 8 degrees or -20 degrees or plus 15 to 25. All those things are still unclear as to what needs to be done. I've been talking to a few companies, to get to make my cool chain warehouse. Unfortunately, today also they are asking for 12 to 14 weeks time for getting the, warehousing, thing delivered. So the more it's getting delayed, we'll all have problems, We'll all have problems, So the government has to decide how soon they can clear all these issues, whether they require what temperature in the warehouses or, or the customers who have to use that, they have to sign agreements with some people so that we can invest in these things. So we need a little more clarity from the health ministry, from the government, what is to be required, what is needed, or from the big companies who are manufacturing these type of vaccines.
So thanks for bringing the whole industry on such a large platform together.
Overall, it is a thumbs up for this industry from my side.
This is the beginning. The power of India has come now.
The only thing is what we can say is the government should clarify the policy of SCIS for the freight forwarding agents. Presently, this is not clear whether air freight forwarders are, they are entitled for SCIS or not. We people, if we have to invest, in cool chain, warehouses and all those, even trucks and all those things, even in handling these, cool boxes, import and other things, those things have to be imported. Now, to get licenses to import these things and, to like exporters, they're importing their duty free. Similarly, we should also, as a freight forwarder, we should also get it. 2020 was a very good year for few of us, It was a good opportunity for some, but some people, who are not ready to change, they're all suffering. But 2021, I see a very, very good year for the freight forwarding. But you have to you have to come out of the box. I'm quite positive that we as Continental will do good. We'll do, good in the coming year.